you another vlog slash get ready with me slash I'm not entirely sure where this clip belongs in the edit yet, so let's roll with it. We're going into the city and gonna check out some bookstores, maybe grab a coffee. It's nice enough out where I can get dressed up and not feel like I'm freezing so much. It just hit me that we're going to Barnes & Noble because it's closing and they're doing 50% off all books, which sucks because bookstores used to be such a mainstay and now they're not. Gives me existential pause, but this is upbeat content, so we don't delve into wormholes like that. Let's keep it moving. Oh God. Avni, don't get into existential dread all the time, please. So, I'm really excited for my outfit today. I'm wearing like a pearly, well, I'll just show you. We've got my creaky floors and this pearl studded skirt with these pearl studded boots. I think this rust color crop jacket. Now, time for accessories. Kind of my favorite part, which makes sense when you look at all of that displayed in my living room. Don't love this hanging little rat tail, so we're gonna do something about that. Have a little earring that's gonna act as our pin. Okay, we like that. And let's see what we're doing for earrings. Do we like these or do we like these? Just for a little day out, I'm gonna go with the little ones. Perfect. And I just got some new rings. This pearly guy. Adorable and so interesting, and a little croissant. Also, I did my nails. They turned out so good. So I wasn't loving the pin by itself, but this hairband and the pin kind of do wonders for the Greek goddess look, but also schoolgirl, but also terracotta wall. We're rocking an eclectic look today. Shall we run through our books?
Sure. Laser Rider 2, and yes, I checked, there is no Laser Rider 1. We have The Lamentable Journey of Omaha Bigelow into the Impenetrable Loisaida
Wow, thanks.
Jungle.
The video's over by the time you're done with the title.
Yeah, well, it's not my fault they went on a tangent. The Memory Box, a novelle. Book of Polly. Polyamory. Hollywood the Game.
Very excited for this one.
It's very light reading. The Book of More Delights.
Also excited for this one. You know, just chill list of happy things.
Oh yeah, speaking of happy things, we got Black Panther. Psychology. Yo, I heard you like subtitles, so we gave your subtitle a subtitle.
Okay, wow.
And it's unauthorized. What does that even mean?
Unauthorized is just not by the filmmakers.
It's a book they don't want you to read. I love it.
Was it a good idea getting your spice in it?
I've seen the leg. I feel like it's delicious. It's how it's supposed to be done. It's perfect. My body is ready. It's just, you know.
Your body's not ready. Your body is red. I think a little bit past the brim.
They had to roll us out of there.
It was so good though.
Yeah. Oh man, that broth.
Mm-hmm. Broth in the winter.
I'm gonna dream about that stuff.
I just got the most exciting delivery. It's washi tapes from the washi shop. I bought so many in the holiday season. Very excited to journal with these in the coming year. So let's see what's inside. To the wonderful world of laundry.
And then coffee.
Woo! And then coffee. We're going to watch Wonka later, and I'm kind of excited. Though
yeah.
It doesn't have like the greatest of reviews, but kind of hyped to see, as some reviewer called it, Twinkie Twonka and the Twonk
Yes,
Factory.
I was just gonna say, I'm kind of excited to see what Timothy is up to, and he's not saving
Timothy. If you can dress up for Barbie, why not Wonka? Just got back from watching Wonka and it was so fun.
So fun.
Yeah, we absolutely had a blast, enjoyed it, and now it's time for dinner. I mean, no, it's not the kind of movie that is gonna win critical choice or awards or anything, but it's just so fun and
It won our hearts.
it won our hearts.
It didn't win awards. It won the most important prize.
Yeah, it was just childish joy. That's really what they delivered in spades. So very happy. And also happy that I dressed up almost stewardess vibes, but it matched the energy with the colorful scarf and everything. So I'm just a happy child right now. We're waiting to get our bagels, and this man has 2 coffees. Well, I have a decaf, of course.
2 coffees.
Perfect. So that dresser that was waiting to be assembled for almost, I want to say 3 months, is finally done. I'm feeling so good. Gonna ride this high for a little bit more and do other chores that have been popping up over my shoulder, looking over like, hey, when you gonna do this? When you gonna do that? Pretty sure that's not what my chores sound like, but I guess what I'm trying to say is I hope you have enjoyed your January so far and are having a good, as you intended 2024. So I'll see you soon, and thanks for hanging out.